What's up guys, welcome back. So if you haven't noticed, I've been on a pretty big pasta kick lately, mostly, and yes, all of because I am about to go on my wedding diet starting in November. So November, I'm going to be doing paleo, and then I'm going to be doing the Tom Brady diet, which is basically paleo on steroids, in December. So I just have been trying to get all of my favorite foods in, which I've recently discovered is noodles and pasta. So last night I made my mom's penne alla vodka. Super simple recipe, by the way. I will give everyone the details below. And then today I had all these leftovers, and so I decided, my mouth is watering, this literally just came out. Today I decided to make a casserole out of it, which is really just penne alla vodka with some chicken mixed with mozzarella cheese. I added a little bit more sauce, put it in the oven with more mozzarella cheese on top, and baked it till it got the little crispies on top and all of the cheese was melted. I'm so epically excited right now. I've never done this with my mom's penne alla vodka. And don't worry, this is not all going to waste. Shane will be home later and he loved it last night, so he's gonna love it again tonight. Wow, this looks insanely hot, but I've got to go for it. I love really hot food, by the way. Like almost burn your mouth hot. Oh, it's not so bad. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. 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 This is amazing. Mm. Mm. I need an assist. Mm. By the way, there's blackened chicken in here. Blackened chicken goes so well with this, guys. And it's the easiest thing. Shane, I just made it for Shane, I have to believe, for the first time, because he was like, oh my god, what is this? This is so flavorful. Cajun spice, if you just coat the outside of like anything in it and you saute it, it becomes blackened. And Yeah, it's super flavorful. I always add salt. Mm. Maybe I should get a regular fork. I'll use both. How's that? Little crispy bits from around the side. Wow. Kind of want to go back to the big fork. So yeah, I made blackened chicken for the first time. We've been getting stuff from our registry, and Shane loves cooking with nonstick. I like cooking with stainless steel. So we got a set of stainless steel cookware with a copper bottom from my matron of honor slash best friend slash best friend's mother slash best friend's sister. And then we got a new nonstick for him at Williams Sonoma. And it's like amazing. So I'll have to link that for you below, because we just, or I just sauteed the chicken breast that had, oh, damn. My view is better than yours on that one. Sorry, guys. I just sauteed it for a couple of minutes on each side until it was brown, and then put it in the oven for like 15 minutes, probably at 350. And we just ate that with the penne vodka last night. But I just, with a pair of scissors, just cut it up into bite-sized pieces. And so they're like floating all in here. I don't know if you guys can see the steam. Oh my goodness, it's so it's so heavy and it's so filling. Like, there's a lot of heavy cream in here, but you know, I'm on that YOLO diet right now, and I'm the type of person, like, when I go on a diet, like if I say I'm gonna do this, I do it. It's actually fun for me to kind of figure out like things to eat on those different diets. So I've been like, you know, exploring the world of paleo and how I can make it interesting and interesting enough for myself to want to keep doing for an extended period of time. In my case, like 30 days. Well, actually, it's going to be more like 60 days because it's only going to get worse in December. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm getting full, guys. Slowing down. You know what I think I'm really doing is I think I'm just trying to eat so much pasta that I can't even think about eating any more of it for an extended period of time. I'm calling it. I'm so full. All right, guys, again, the recipe for the vodka sauce I will put below. Obviously, just get whatever penne pasta you want. I ended up getting some like fancy brand from Italy because it was on sale. But yeah, get whatever you want. We got some chicken, some Cajun seasoning, and then I just added some mozzarella cheese to this thing to make it into a casserole at 350 for what ended up being probably 35-40 minutes. Alright guys, I'm gonna go lay on my back for a little bit and work on my fitness program. Oh, and if any of you are still watching at this point, I am working on a fitness program. Everybody asks me all the time how I'm able to eat like this and stay in shape, look the way that I do. And so I have been working very, very hard to create an affordable, extremely affordable program, especially compared to others like it, that will offer you guys information on my nutrition, the opportunity to be able to communicate with me and my trainer and ask questions, and all of my daily workouts for a very small amount per month. So we are getting all of that set for you to hopefully launch by the end of the year. So stay tuned for that. If you want to be notified when we are about ready to launch, go ahead and DM me on Instagram, put my handle here. And yeah, I'll be giving you guys much more information about it in the coming month or so. And at any point in time, you can DM me to be like, hey Lindsay, what was that program that you were talking about? And blah, blah, blah. I want in. I want more info. I don't know what I want, but hello. Yeah, it's time for me to go lay down. Thanks again for joining, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.